So this was the hard drive which Navin had removed. We have to remove the external enclosure which is attached to the hard drive. So I'm just removing the side screws.
Be careful with that. You don't want to lose the screws.
Exactly.
That is something which I can't tell you where you will get it. You can see it will zoomed up now.
Navin, do we really need it? That's what I'm thinking. I might not even need it.
No,
Right?
you need those side screws.
I have to
2 side screws you need. That's it. And you have to take that rubber off.
rubber off, right?
Yes.
These screws also we need.
Huh.
But it does not have any enclosure as I see
No.
it.
What happens is that it goes inside this white thing here.
Right?
I'll show you where it goes in. You see that there's something called as white there. Yes, it goes right in there.
This also, right?
Yes, so he's removing those screws. Giramat.
Cool. And this I leave it as such.
Yeah.
I don't remove the top
Yes.
cover. I put the hard drive. I discharge any static electricity. Open up my new hard drive.
Stick this tape exactly as that so that we can.
Hitachi, so
You can see it's both Hitachis. The only difference is the size, which is one is 250 gig, one is 500. And from here, I don't think you can tell the difference. But when he turns it up, you can see what is the marking. So be sure you put the right hard drive back. You don't want to open it again and see, oh, you did put the same hard drive back.
So mine, the blue one will be my new hard drive.
Rajesh, be little careful with that screws. You don't want to lose it.
Yeah.
Because if you lose it, it's gone.
Apple
Will be more than happy to replace it for the cost which you get a new Mac. So don't do that.
As Navin is telling, I dropped it down, but
it's his first time, so a little bit nervous. That's it.
they're pretty small, so.
If you want, I can do that.
No, yeah, I think I'm done. इसको यहाँ बैठने दो एक सेकेंड हो गया.
Those screws are giving him a hard time.
The screws are screwing me. It's fine. Let us do it. Okay, I finally get it in.
The screws, nothing else.
I don't think we might really require the tape right now.
No, tape is required to put this thing here.
Which one?
This here. I'll
Oh,
show
this
you.
tape?
Yeah. It holds those things. So that's why your tape is required. Here now we got it. And don't ever forget of holding this, because if it falls down, you'll start crying. You don't want that to happen to you. No, you have put it in the wrong direction.
No.
Yes.
Proper.
This has to come here. This has to
No,
come here.
no, I guess it's proper.
I'm pretty sure.
Is it?
Yeah. So one thing you need to be careful about is what Mr. Rajesh had done by mistake is this white part comes here, because when you put it in, you have the white part here, which will be gone, which will be used by these screws. This part comes and stays here on this brick. So
cool.
You need to change that. We'll do that very fast.
I mean, we'll be replacing the 4 set of we'll be interchanging the screws which was wrongly positioned.
You just take it off, and when you are holding, try to hold it on the edge
Yeah.
so that you don't give some static things to think for the hard drive. So I'm going to change the first screw. It comes down,
Navin is just interchanging the position of the screws here.
and we have our first guy going in. You don't want to lose those screws, so I will fix it. It's a little painful, but yeah, not a problem.